Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use if functions in Excel. Why would you want to know how to use if function in Excel? Well, maybe you are new in functions. So today I am going to show you how to use if function in Excel. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written in instruction. Now we have name, degrees. I want to make pass or fail automatically. Let's press equal and if then logic test is a degree, then larger than, let's make the pass degree as 85, then comma, then let's type pass and comma, then type the other option is fail and close. Press enter. Here that degree is 99, so he pass, then drag down. The next one 70, so he failed. That easy, guys. There you go. If you wanted to know how to use if function in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to use if function in Excel, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.